A lot of content creators are making it big deal. Are you a new content creator and you are still making a big deal on what tool to use to record your video? Because having a tool that you use to record your video is the most important thing. Okay, I know these people are telling you use your cell phone, record a video. Yes, you can use your cell phone, but are you actually using your cell phone camera or your laptop camera? No, you actually you don't have to do that, because you have a free tool that you can use, and I am going to tell you a secret tool that you can use to start recording your videos for free. So if you are a student, you want to embark into content creation, or you are a new content creator but you are still confused on what tool you can use to create your video, I got your back. So first of all, I'm going to share my screen with you, and you're going to Google. And the tool that I am talking about is none other than Canva. Canva, you can use it for free or you can use the pro version. All work the same. I'm going to show you how you can use Canva to start recording your video. Either you are using an app on your phone or you can use the web browser on your laptop. So let's go and dive in and show you how you can start creating your videos using Canva. So you go to Google, you type Canva. If you have an account, you're going to type Canva and then you create an account, right? So I have already an account. For a new beginner, let me just go out of this account and show you how you can start creating your Canva account. So you go to canva.com, right? So once you have gone to canva.com, if you have an account, you can log in. If you do not have an account, you can sign up. So you just have to put your email address and then your password, and you will be able to go straight into Canva, right? So once you are on Canva dashboard, this is how Canva dashboard looks like, and the purpose of this video is to show you how you can start recording your own video using Canva. What are we going to do now? We are going to search for video template. So we go to templates and we are going to, okay, let's just select this more here. Okay, so we are going to press that create sign. So you have seen this create sign on your left hand side. There is a create sign and you are going to select a video, right? So now Canva give you a feature which video you want to create. Are you going to create Instagram reels? Are you creating Instagram reels? Are you creating TikTok videos, or you are creating a YouTube video? So I'm going to show you step by step on whatever video that you are going to create. Let's start with the landscape. This is for a video that you can post on YouTube, right? So it has given you the features already of YouTube landscape, and what you can do, just subscribe down here and give this video a thumbs up. So let's dive in. You can actually come here and press the plus sign. Either you have already created from your cell phone, but the purpose of this, we want to create using Canva itself. So for you to be able to record yourself, you're going to press on this feature called video, and you can see the videos that are already here in Canva. So you can use stock video to make those animations within your video, but we want to record, so press record yourself. And once you have pressed that, it's going to say allow HD webcam. So if you have multiple cameras, so you can select that. So you're going to select the camera that you want to use and say allow while using this site, and you can select your microphone, select the microphone and say allow while visiting this site. So this is how it appears, guys. So now you will start recording. You press that record button and voila, here we are busy recording. You can see the voice is already recording, and it says that you can record a video that is limited to 25 minutes. So you can actually record multiple videos of 25 minutes if you want to make it long, right? Or you can just make it a 15-minute video that you can post on YouTube, right? So yeah, if you want your profile picture to show, you can do, but if you don't want it to show, so you can skip. So that is how you start recording yourself. And once you have done, you save, you say done, right? And then actually once you have started recording, is going to show that. So here you are recording the video, right? You are recording the video, you can add a audio. So let's go back to the steps. You go to video, you press record yourself, and you can see you are in a studio, and then voila, you are busy recording yourself. So make sure your camera is on whenever you are recording, understand? So as I'm sharing my screen, so my camera is not showing the same time as the Canva video recording that I'm making, but once you press record, you will see yourself, and then you start recording your video. Okay, so this button that press record. Once you have done recording, let me say you have done recording now, you can press done, and once you are done, your video will save in your Canva studio, and then you can exit and go save and exit, so that's how you do it. You see the voice is out. So that's how you do it. And now you can start editing. You can also edit your video using Canva. You press the play. Once you press on that, so you can add animations, you can add new videos on that video that you have just recorded, and make sure you add some elements to make it exciting, some animation, some animation like dancing, just search any animation, like any graphics that can make your video feel exciting, and then you can add anything. So it depends on what your video is all about. But once you have done, you have done with your video that is for YouTube, you have done everything. So now what you can do, done recording now, you can press done, and now you can come to share, and you download your video. You can download it in your device, or what you can also do, you can just go and share it straight to your YouTube channel. So you can link Canva with your YouTube channel. So that is step one. If you want to create a YouTube video, you can either use Canva app in your cell phone, or you can actually use the web browser if you do not have space to download Canva app, either on your desktop or your cell phone. Number two, you can use Canva to create a video for your reels, your Instagram reels, or your TikTok reels. So how do you do that? It's the same process, right? It's the same process. So you exit this. Let's say you are on the home page of Canva. I've told you that Canva give you different layout, different landscapes depending on what you want to create. So you can create a YouTube short, or you can create a TikTok video, right? So you select whatever you want. Either you have recorded your video using your cell phone, or either you want to use stock videos that you have here already, or either you want to record yourself. So you can also record yourself. So you can either record yourself using camera and screen. You see, you have different features. So using camera and screen, you can share your screen while you're recording. You can share your screen, or you can just record your face only. So it works the same thing. So the countdown starts and the recording is happening. Once you have done, you say done and save it as I've shown you in the YouTube video. So you have different ways of creating videos on Canva. So you choose your landscape, either for YouTube short, either for TikTok, either for Facebook, and you are good to go. As a new creator, you do not need fancy software. You do not have to be a professional editor or a professional videographer for you to start creating your own video for social media. So start creating, start posting, start doing all the craft using Canva. You can create thumbnail, you can create your video for Facebook, for Instagram, for YouTube shorts using Canva for free. You do not need money to get started. Everything that you start with is in Canva for free. So if you have gained value from this video, please subscribe to this video, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.